What's up, YouTube? Part 4, finally done. Got everything back in. The new transmission in there. New transmission in. Everything put back together. Only thing now, I just gotta put the tires on. Everything back together. I can't see this. But yeah, though, transmission back in, so yeah, my job done. Over with. Everything back how it's supposed to be. Yep. That's better. Make sure everything back in. Everything bolted up. Yep. Everything back to normal. Like and subscribe. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching my video. I will be posting more soon. Thank you.